Welcome to Motion Tech. Today I am show you how to create subtitles in your on your YouTube videos. So let's start. I will show you my channel. I want to show you my channel. So in my channel right now you can see here my video. On that video you can see subtitles automatically created, which I choose. So you can see they are working well. It is because due to my setting. If I am going to my setting, here I am click on the playback and performance. Here you can see I am clicking on always show captions. It is due to these captions. If you make it null, then it's not working automatically captions titles. So if I am click on that, they are working well like my videos. So thank you for watching. This is you have need to click on that for subtitles for creating subtitles. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel.